The healing powers of nature are well documented. Time outside can lower blood pressure, reduce cortisol levels, and improve heart rate.
And when you're really out and being present in nature, it allows you to disconnect from the other things that are stressing you out, and it allows you to be able to really hone in on those senses.
The Japanese were the first to recommend focused immersion under the trees as a health benefit back in the 1980s. It's called Shinrin-yoku, forest bathing.
Forest bathing is really spending time outside. Kind of think of Thoreau and that sauntering, taking in the atmosphere, being in the experience of this place with our five senses.
Nadine Mazzola is a guide certified by the Association of Nature and Forest Therapy. She first heard about this practice in 2015 while finishing treatment for breast cancer.
The trees, especially the pine trees, release a particular type of phytoncide, a terpene, that boosts our white blood cells, our NK cells that are responsible for keeping our immune system strong.
I just want to invite us both to look around and let ourselves just kind of arrive in the spot. And as you let your eyes close or you just gently focus on something, whatever feels right for you, just take a few breaths in whatever way this place is inviting you to breathe. And bringing in your sense of smell now, just noticing the different scents.
That smell of fresh cut hay, it's not quite fresh obviously, but still that odor is really evocative to me because my grandmother is from Oklahoma. I spent a lot of time in the South, and that smell is powerful for me. And it was kind of, and I could taste it and I could hear it because there's a mower over there, which is kind of also sweet in a not disruptive way.
Our bodies and our brainwaves actually start synchronizing with what's around us. And so that can be a big change from that busyness, that higher level, and that's really restorative, but it can feel also hard at first.
I had a little trouble kind of getting into the sort of mindset of it, and then I found it in the river. The little ripples on the water and that reflection of there was a house across the way.
It's really coming home, this practice of being nature connected. It is one of the most powerful things I have ever found for really letting go of the stresses.
An open invitation to return to our roots and reconnect to the beauty before us.
There's a sense of belonging, and it just puts a smile on my face and warms my heart.
That did look very relaxing. And Nadine also has a book, Forest Bathing with Your Dog.
Yeah, she says forest bathing with a dog or a pet has a much different rhythm, especially with dogs. They're so attentive and engaged with everything around them that it sort of reminds you as a human to do the same thing.